How to fix USB drive not formatting in Windows 10. To fix USB drive not formatting in Windows 10, try 1. Ensure that your USB drive is not write protected. To remove the USB write protection, run these commands as admin: disk part list disk select your USB's name attributes disk clear read only to. Scan your PC and USB for virus using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 3. Run chkdsk-scan on USB. Run this command as admin: chkdskg/f/r/x4. Format your USB drive using command line. Disk part list disk select your USB's name clean create partition primary format fs equals ntfs quick note: if you have chosen FAT32, replace ntf with FAT32.